Ever browsed the internet during the night just to be hit in the face by a bright white background color? No more. We're developers and we love those eyes, so let's protect them by building a dark theme toggle. In the HTML, we need a checkbox and a label that has two icons inside and the ball. I'm using Font Awesome for the icons, but feel free to use an SVG if you want. We'll use the classes to style the elements and the ID to target the checkbox in JavaScript later. Very important, we need the for attribute on the label because this way we can toggle the checkbox by clicking on the label. Before we continue, let me quickly thank the sponsor of this video, my wife. She told me that she'd love to be in one of my videos. Hi love, I love you very much. Alright, back to the code. In the CSS, let's do some basic styling and put everything in the middle. Next, let's style the label and position the icons inside it while changing their color. Let's also style the ball. We're using position absolute on it so we can move it around. And we also need position relative on the label so that the ball stays inside of it. The magic of this is using the adjacent selector, aka the ball which is inside the label, which is next after the checkbox. And then we're moving the ball to the right when the checkbox is checked. Adding a transition will make this flow nicely. We don't need to see the checkbox, so let's hide it with position absolute. And last but not least, in JavaScript, we're adding an event listener on the checkbox, and when this is changed, we want to toggle the dark class on the body. So also let's add this class in CSS and transition the property. There you have it. Now you can browse safely during the night because safety matters. And also check out this tutorial if you're keen to learn more.